Welcome back after the break. Leader of opposition in Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi kick-started the Congress party campaign in Jammu Kashmir ahead of polls and has called for the restoration of Jammu Kashmir statehood. He has argued that the region's identity and resources have been stripped away since its autonomous status was revoked. He has claimed Prime Minister Modi was afraid of the people in the country and that there was only a little time left for Prime Minister Modi and the BJP before they are removed from power. He has also taken a jibe at the LG, saying that, like a king, the LG was ruling Jammu Kashmir.
1947 में हमने राजाओं को हटाकर लोकतांत्रिक सरकार बनाई। हमने देश को कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दिया। आज जम्मू कश्मीर में राजा बैठा हुआ है, उसका नाम एलजी है, मगर वो है राजा। और जो आपका धन है आपसे छीना जा रहा है, तो सबसे पहले जम्मू कश्मीर को जो स्टेटहुड है वो वापस देना है, क्योंकि आपका सिर्फ स्टेट नहीं छीना गया, आपके अधिकार, आपका धन, सारा का सारा आपसे छीना जा रहा है।
All right, we've also spoken to Congress General Secretary G.A. Mir on Jammu Kashmir elections. Listen in.
The constituency where Ghulam Ahmed Mir, who is the senior Congress leader, General Secretary in charge of West Bengal and Jharkhand, I am joined by Mr. Mir. Mir Sahab, how important this election is for you?
Very important, and that too after abrogation and reorganization of the Jammu and Kashmir, because people are annoyed whatever decisions Modi government has taken at that time, and they were unilateral. There was no consent from the people of Jammu and Kashmir. Already Rahul Gandhi ji, Congress party has assured people of Jammu and Kashmir that we will fight till you get the state and status back.
But statehood is something which even Prime Minister Modi has promised during his two visits to Jammu and Kashmir, during parliament elections and after that. National Conference, your alliance partner, has been talking about, restoration of 370 and even autonomy, all that. Where is the common ground between the Congress and
that is any political party, they have their own agenda. But once we are in alliance, alliance, if it is voted to power, we will have a common minimum program.
So what is there any, at least some job or the land protection which Congress has been talking? How are you going to ensure without
that we have assured that we will ensure that we will get state back, we will have the guarantee of land to the locals, to the state subject holders, and the jobs creation in Jammu and Kashmir are restricted to people of Jammu and Kashmir.
Well, my colleague Nazir also now joining us on the broadcast, getting us more on Rahul Gandhi's visit to Kashmir today. Well, the Congress party with Rahul Gandhi's visit has kick-started the campaign in Jammu Kashmir ahead of the polls here. Well, we do understand Rahul Gandhi has addressed 2 rallies today. What are we likely to see in the coming days? We do believe more rallies and campaigns have been planned out by both the Congress and the NC, which are in alliance for Jammu Kashmir polls.
Well, Rahul Gandhi kickstarted his election campaign in Jammu and Kashmir by addressing 2 rallies, one in Banihal and second in Duru in Anantnag district. He launched a scathing attack at the central government and also the J&K Lieutenant Governor administration and blaming them for snatching the rights of the people of Jammu and Kashmir. And he vowed and promised people of Jammu and Kashmir that the first thing they're going to do is to restore the state of Jammu and Kashmir. And he even said, look, the confidence of Prime Minister has shattered post-election, parliament elections, and they make everything Prime Minister do, whatever opposition wants. He even went to say that actually opposition is running the government in the Union of India, and they make everything whatever they want the central government to do. And he referred to the reversal and the withdrawal of certain orders recently issued by the central government. And he promised people that he will force and compel the central government to restore the statehood as soon as possible. He said they wanted the statehood should have been restored before elections, but BJP did not agree with that. but now soon after the election, statehood would be restored. And also to allege the center, J&K Lieutenant Governor administration, that look, they are giving benefits to the people from outside Jammu and Kashmir who are linked to the BJP and the RSS, while the local people have been denied these rights over the last 5 years. So Rahul Gandhi also tried to strike a chord with the local people by invoking his ancestry and saying he has a blood relation with this place. So clearly Rahul Gandhi kick-starting his election campaign in Jammu and Kashmir, and BJP on the other hand has also deployed their senior leaders across Jammu and Kashmir, and Home Minister Amit Shah will be also campaigning from 6th of this month, and they will be also releasing their manifesto on the same day, that is the after tomorrow.
Okay, all right. But before that, there's a huge political war of words also that is happening between the BJP and the NC Congress alliance. The BJP has said that the NC Congress alliance will crumble very soon, and they are only trying to deceive the public by coming together. Farooq Abdullah, on the other hand, has exuded confidence, saying that the NC Congress alliance will defeat the BJP in the upcoming assembly polls. Listen in.
कांग्रेस और नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस की जो इत्तेहाद हुआ है, इंशाअल्लाह उसमें हम लोग कामयाब होंगे। ये हमारे वतन के लिए, सारे हिंदुस्तान के लिए एक बड़ी आवाज़ है कि जो हमें कहते थे कि हम पाकिस्तानी हैं, हम खालिस्तानी हैं, हम ये हैं, उनके लिए एक थप्पड़ है। और मैं उम्मीद करता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान के लोग ये समझेंगे कि हम चाहते हैं कि रियासत आगे तरक्की करे और इस मुश्किल से निकले। मैंने पहली दफ़ा देखा है कि एक रियासत को यूनियन टेरिटरी बनाते हुए, इसको बदलाना है, इसको फुल से स्टेटहुड आना है, और उसके लिए हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
All right, I'm being told that Nazir has joined us back on the broadcast. This is big political war of words that's taking place ahead of the polls. And all right, I'm being told Ram Madhav has also spoken on the issue. Let's first listen into his statement and then I'll go to Nazir.
कश्मीर की जनता को हम याद दिलाएंगे कि पुराने दिनों की तरफ, पुरानी मुसीबतों की तरफ ले जाने के लिए जो मैनिफेस्टो लेकर आए हैं एनसी वाले, पीडीपी वाले और तमाम लोग, जो खुलकर मिलिटेंटों का मदद लेकर चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं, जो एक्स मिलिटेंट है, मैं देख रहा हूं, मेरे पास जानकारी आ रही है, खुलकर एनसी पीडीपी के कैंडिडेट के लिए कैंपेन में जुट गए हैं। यानी पुरानी बुरी हालात को वापस लेने के लिए जो पार्टियां चुनाव में उतरे हैं, उनको डिफीट करना पड़ेगा। बीजेपी के नेतृत्व में, बीजेपी की अगुवाई में एक नई सरकार इस राज्य में बनेगी।